Chilies are a super popular choice for an edible garden. They're quick to crop and really low maintenance. I'll help you select the heat you can handle and show you how to get them growing at your place. What you're going to need is some compost, sheet pellets, veggie mix, fertilizer, and your chosen chili plants. Now when it comes to heat, chilies are rated by a group of brave testers who give them a Scoville heat unit from 0 right up to 2 million. Now let's see where a few of the common types sit on the scale to help you make an informed selection. On the mild end, you've got your Anaheim and the Hungarian yellow. For medium heat, go for jalapenos, a really popular choice, wildfire or manzano. For those who crave the burn, hot options include cayenne or bird's eye, your classic Thai chili. And for the very keen, there's habaneros, butjalokia, also known as the ghost pepper or the Trinidad scorpion. And the world record holder, coming in at a whopping 1.5 to 2.2 million Scoville units, is the Carolina Reaper. It's also worth noting that most chilies will start out green, and as they mature, they get hotter, they turn red, so if you're keen to maximize on the heat, leave them on the plant as long as possible. Today, I'm going to be planting wildfire for a medium heat, cayenne for something a little hotter, and a habanero for a more intense heat option. Chilies love a rich, fertile soil, so into my bed, I'm going to add some compost, some sheet pellets, and then just dig all of that through. Mixing the compost through the existing soil will make sure it's not too concentrated and doesn't burn the roots. The sheet pellets will act as an additional slow-release natural fertilizer. Then on top, I'm going to add a nice thick layer of veggie mix. And just smooth it all out. Now when you're planting your chilies, just make sure you check the spacing on the back of the tag. These ones are about 30 centimeters. So I'm going to put 6 of them along the front. Just dig some little holes. Now just gently ease them out of their container. Squeeze the bottom a little bit if you need to, just to loosen it up. Slide them out. Just pop these in. Now we're going to do the ones in the back. We'll put our habanero in this back corner. And then we're going to do a row of cayenne. Then just backfill around each plant gently. Press down quite firmly just to make sure they're standing up straight and the soil's not covering the base of the plant. Now, a quick tip, avoid planting your chilies where you've previously planted tomatoes, potatoes or eggplant, as they may pass on bacterial diseases. Great, these are looking good to go. Just give them a good watering in. Chilies also do well planted from seed, so check out the options in store and take a look at our How to Grow from Seed Easy As guide. Sow your seeds in October, getting plants into the ground in November when it's warm outside. Chilies need full sun and a sheltered position. The yield is generally a lot better from garden beds, but they also do well in pots or containers planted in veggie mix. Keep soil moist during the growing season. Use veggie food in your beds and Novatech for containers. Chilies take about 3 months to mature, fruiting from January to May. Cut, don't pull the fruit from the plant, and harvest just before they look ready to encourage more flowering and fruiting. They store well in the fridge, freezer, or even dried in a dark cupboard. Watch out for aphids and fruit fly, but on the whole, chilies suffer very few pests or disease. If you love chilies, then you'll definitely love growing your own. It's easy as. And make sure you subscribe to the Mitre 10 YouTube channel for more great content, or click here to watch more.